The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Ford F-150 with a standard 6.5 foot bed. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream SkyLine base, roof rack system, but onto this truck bed cover. So this system consists of the JetStream load bar, 70 inches in length, the SkyLine tower, which comes in a set of 4, and the landing pad 1 base kit. Landing pad 1s are sold in half sets, so you do need to purchase 2 of those. Although, if you purchase from the link in the description below, it'll be a complete kit, so everything you need. One thing that is optional and that we do recommend are locks. Now, it's not required, but this system does have a quick release feature, so you can actually pull this cover out and lift the bar off. If you have a lock, that keeps that cover locked in place and you're unable to remove that rack. So, reason for having a quick release: if you need to remove the rack quickly to access your full bed, you can do that. Or if you need to adjust your rack placement, you can lift it off. There's a fastener here and here. You can loosen those and then slide back and forth anywhere along the length of the track. And then drop into place, pop the cover, lock it if you have the locks. So yeah, it just sits a few inches off of the cover. And again, you can see the tracks go all the way to the front and to the back. One reason why we like the Retrax XR so much is because those tracks do go all the way to the front. Not all do. So it just gives you more adjustability. You can see that track extends all the way to the rear here as well. So yeah, good low system with a 165-pound weight carrying capacity. So great placement for maybe carrying bicycles, or maybe like a cargo basket, where a taller rack, while you're still able to do so, puts everything up taller and a little bit more difficult to get to. So this rack is good for that type of gear. Or if you want to do a lighter rooftop tent, you can do that here as well. So yeah, that's it for this one. For more details, pricing, and easy ordering, follow the link in the description below. That'll take you back to the site where you can order this whole rack bundle, everything you need, in just a couple clicks. So there you go. That's it for this 22 F-150. But like always, thanks for watching.